Hi James, thanks for the update. So let's take a look at what I do have here. Probably the HTML5 version. Yep, that's the one there. So boom, do. So let's do this one here. So side menu again, and let's do this here. So um, FAQs, right click, hyperlink properties, find another page, contact, and a new page. I'll just change the name there. Hit OK. Save, process, boom, and I'm going to go to a different page. I'll open up, start with the About page, F12 it to preview it, like so. And let's just see where these pages take me. First of all, can I hover over them? Yes. Does it have a hover effect or a drop menu? Yeah. So if I click on the previous one I updated, let me give you some room up here. Let's see where it, first of all, it takes me, I'm going to look down on the bottom here, right, and it shows that it's taking me to the services page. I'll click it, and now I'm on the services page. Sitemap shows me the sitemap page. I click it, and it takes me to the sitemap page. And then the new page, we link to the contact. So I'll click on new page and contact up here, and it takes me to the contact page down here. Okay, so what you're saying is when you hover over, I don't know if you can see this in the video, but there's a slight, the font color changes slightly, and you can see the button change slightly. I mean, it's subtle, but it does. And if you look down at the bottom, I'm using Firefox here. I'm not sure what browser you're testing is. Let's try it in a different browser. I'm going to go with Chrome. Okay, so switch that over to Chrome. Preview in Chrome. Fire this up here. Subtle, subtle, subtle. New page goes to contact. Sitemap goes to search our site, and services goes to our services there. So they all work. Yeah, what you're describing, like the Gen 10s, that's a fairly long-running series that we've had, and this is a very common method we use for updating it. So I'm curious as to why it's not working for you, because we've gone through quite a few. There's a lot of the Gen 10s out there, so we'll help you get it figured out. I'm just curious as to what's going on. But yeah, this is the sort of the next step, is it when you said didn't actually go to the page, right? Obviously, if you have your page, make sure your page is closed before you preview it, because it just might not be saved, is what I'm thinking. But as a real test, usually when I do this stuff, when I first troubleshoot a site, is I just hover over the link, and you probably, by the sounds of it, you probably know what I'm talking about, is right down here in the lower corner of your browser, it shows you where it points to, right? So what page? So this one, services, I go to the next one, it says sitemap, and then it goes, contact right here. And of course, when I click them, it takes me to the right page, and I also verify it by the address bar in the browser. So I'm just wondering what's happening there. But anyways, that's sort of the next thing I'd take a look at. And what else can we do here? Well, give that a shot anyways and see what's going on.